Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Tally to printer full guide. Start by collecting your Tally software, compatible printer, correct cable, and the latest driver files. Check your printer model and set it to the recommended communication mode. Decide if you will use USB, serial, parallel, or TCP/IP connection. Keep drivers and firmware up to date and ensure your PC and printer share the same network or physical connection before proceeding. Install the correct driver first to avoid communication errors later. Use the manufacturer site or trusted installer package and run setup as an administrator. After installation, restart the computer and print a test page to confirm basic functionality. If using a network printer, assign a static IP or reserve the address in your router. Save the driver files and note the printer name exactly as the system displays it for Tally configuration. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more practical tech tips. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change your view on money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs nicely with small business topics like cost tracking and printer purchases. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Within Tally, go to Printing or Device Settings and select your installed printer by its exact name. Choose the appropriate driver mode such as line mode or ESC/POS depending on printer support. Set paper size, margins, and character width to match your receipts or invoices. Configure voucher printing preferences and print a sample voucher to confirm alignment and fonts. Make incremental changes and retest until printing is consistent and reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.